Today we've got a triple threat for you, and it all starts with an incredible North Barrie location.
That's paired with a detached all-brick bungalow that's finished top to bottom.
And it's all rounded out with an impressive level of finish that's gonna have you never wanting to leave the house. And oh yeah, it's got an epic wet bar too. We got all that and more all in today's episode.
Today we're in the north end of Barrie in the East Bayfield neighborhood. Tell us everything we need to know about this location.
Well, there's lots you need to know about this location, Devin. I'm the right guy for the job. I was born and raised in the north end of Barrie, so this truly feels like home for me. And this location is unlike any other in the city of Barrie. Let's talk about amenities for a moment because they are surrounding us. Of course, it starts with the Georgian Mall for all your shopping needs. Then you're surrounded by every dining option imaginable, so you've got that end of it covered. But there's a lot more. You've got the East Bayfield Community Center, the Barrie Sports Dome. You've got the Barrie Country Club in behind us here. Let's not forget, a short walk away, you've got all your convenience needs. Tim Hortons and one of the best faux restaurants in the entire city. That's a hidden gem you don't want to forget about. In addition to that, we are within very short walking distance to schools. Sister Catherine Donnelly around one corner, Terry Fox on the other. It doesn't get much better for this. And the commuters, we haven't forgot about you either. The Duckworth ramp and the Bayfield ramp to Highway 400, just a 5-minute drive away.
And with a great location comes a great property. Today we have a detached all-brick turnkey home that's finished top to bottom, sitting on a 40-foot lot. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Now, whoa, we're not heading inside just yet because there's a couple of notables on the front of this home that I don't want you to miss, and it starts with the parking. We've got a double car wide driveway by double deep with no sidewalk, which means you're 4 cars here. Of course, you got the 1.5 car garage in behind me as well, and then it's the curb appeal. You've got that raised front porch that's totally covered and those beautiful front pillars that all welcome you as you come home. Now you can head inside and take a look.
Welcome inside. Now I know you're going to love this floor plan of the upper level that features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and flows just about 1,100 square feet of open concept living where you can entertain from kitchen to dining to living room.
Now, it's rare that the star of the show is the lower level of a home, but let me tell you that is definitely the case here for a number of reasons. And it starts with the ceiling height. You're just shy of 9-foot ceilings in the lower level here, and it's highlighted with these incredible windows that are all fully above grade. So the amount of natural light you get down here is truly impressive. Just as impressive is the finish level. It's all been completely renovated down here over the last year or two, and it includes things like the laminate floor. You got a beautiful gas fireplace with the shiplap feature wall. It's filled with pot lights and then rounded out with a 3rd bedroom, walk-in closet, plus a 3-piece bath with a walk-in shower. But that's not all.
No, that's not all. If the upper level open concept wasn't enough for entertaining, you have to check out this stunning wet bar featuring a live edge countertop, a sink, and a wine bar. Now you're set for entertaining. Now it's hard to visualize in the thick of winter, but with spring just around the corner, this is the perfect deck for entertaining and barbecuing. But that's not all.
You'll have to continue to visualize as we explore the rest of this incredible backyard. Like these beautiful big mature trees on both sides of the property, they're gonna add a ton of privacy and of course character through the summer months of the year. In addition to that, the yard is fully fenced here, so the 4-legged friends and the kids are gonna absolutely love running and playing back here. But what you can't see is the incredible stonework that is underfoot here. It runs from the side yard all the way around the fire pit, making this the ideal location to sit back and relax around a warm fire, whether it's winter or summer. This is a ton of value packed into one property, and I can assure you it will not last long. We're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.